You, the rulers of our minds, our nation. To you, our humble salutations. You, the custodian of so many. You, the guardian of India's destiny. Through Punjab and Sindh, Gujarat and Maratha, Dravida, Utkala and Bengal. Across lofty crests and melodies of the Vindhyas and the Himalayas, your name awakens, one and all. It rests upon the melodies of the Yamuna and Ganga in harmony, and swirls the waves of the Titanic Sea. Your blessings we seek, your praises replicate you as the protector of India's fate. You call us to unite, day and night, Hindus and Buddhists, Jains and Sikhs, Parsis, Muslims and Christians meek. From east and west your throne above, remove to weave a garden of love. You were born the hearts of so many, you the guardian of India's destiny. Through rugged paths that rise and fall, your pilgrims have traversed them all. O charioteer, the roar of your wheels echoed day and night on the trail we tread. The clarion call of your secret conch saves us from riot, despair and dread. You, the journeyman's steadfast mate, you, the shield of India's fate. When the night was dark and utterly bleak, when our land lay sick in a fevered swoon, O loving mother, you held us close and shielded us from time's morose. Your lowered but ever watchful eyes, so pure, so faithfully sanctified, granted us your special boon. You, the remover of all agony, you the guardian of our destiny. The darkness of the night is done. Now watch the glory of the rising sun. Touch the brow of eastern hills, the song of birds, the auspicious breeze. Pour that portion to forever seeds our hearts. As India wakes to meet the sanctity of your blessed feet, you the Lord of mighty lords, your glory we shall forever applaud. The remover of all agony, you're the guardian of our destiny. Jaya He, Jaya He, Jaya He. Victory forever to you. With that, I wish you all a very happy Republic Day.